Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This channel is called MJC, and what we'll be doing is literally just be helping just everyone how to build a website without coding. Now, I know how times are tough. I know it's not easy, trying to afford a web developer or web designer. Um, but here, hopefully, my videos will help you guys just to understand how to build a website without any coding. There are platforms like Wix and WordPress, but what I'll be showing you is how to manipulate WordPress into your own hosting and your own domain. Um, so the first video will be based on for bloggers and basically how to build a website for a blogger or build your own website really, where you can just literally post blogs and etc. Um, I'll be showing you different hostings and different places where to get your domains. So yeah, let's get going. So I use hostinguk.net. They're good, they're cheap, £2.95 a month, including VAT, well, not including VAT. So I think it's about £3 something a month. Not exact, I don't know exactly, but yeah. Right, so this is your hosting. This is basically your back end of your website. So it has all the controls. So your emails, your backend file managers, all types of files, and so and so. Right, what you need to do first is to find your theme. So I use themeforest.net. Amazing website for all types of themes. You can have HTML themes if you want to do coding, but that's not what we're looking at today. We're looking at WordPress. Now, because this video is for bloggers, I'll be clicking onto WordPress theme. Now, WordPress themes, they're a bit pricey, but they do everything for you. The theme has everything for you. Now, what I always tell, my customers, anyone, the themes are not your website. The themes are just your guidelines, and it's just easier way to maneuver your website, because the theme pretty much has most of your aspects, but it's not going to have your detail. The person who made the theme for themselves, theme to sell, just made it as a sample, as a demo. So don't take each theme as, yes, this is my website and this is how it should look like. No, it's literally, a theme is literally just a guideline. So yeah, you can choose many types. You've got the filters here and different types. Low to high to low. Now I've purchased a theme already, so I'm gonna go into my downloads, and this is the theme that I'm using. Now, when you're downloading your theme, make sure you get the installable WordPress file and also get all files and documentation. Later on in the video, I explain why, but make sure you download both. Now, let's transfer all the way back to our hosting. Right, so as you can see, my domain is testingcontrol.co.uk. Now, let's get on to our back end so that we can upload our theme. So here is our back end, and we're going to scroll all the way down to WordPress. Now, WordPress is a script. You're probably thinking, oh, but WordPress has their own, own account, their own platform, and so and so. But basically, what it is that the hosting gives us the WordPress script so that we can upload our WordPress themes onto our website, but not having .wordpress.com or any of that to mess up your domain. You literally have your own domain. So mine is testingcontrol.co.uk, and that will be my website. So we'll install WordPress. Here you can see indirectly, we want to clear this section because we don't want our homepage to be testingcontrol.co.uk/WP. No, we just literally just want testingcontrol.co.uk. Our site name could be testing and then testing control. Make sure you change your password because this leads back into your back end of your website. So please do. And let's just install. Now click onto your WP admin. Now this is the back end of your website. It's an exact replica of WordPress because you're using the WordPress script. So, it's easy to maneuver. If you used WordPress before, then this should be easy. If you haven't, then, you got places to upload your themes, edit your widgets, your menus, your header, plugins. As you know, plugins are additional features to the website. So, you can have all sorts of plugins. You can have like slider plugins, contact forms, you know, Instagram widgets, Facebook widgets, all types of things, basically additional features for that is what plugins are. Okay, so to upload our theme. Now, you can upload your theme onto, add new and you upload, but sometimes your backend doesn't register your theme properly. So I suggest the safest way is literally go back onto your hosting, go to File Manager, then you go into your public underscore HTML, WP content, your themes, and then here we go. Now click upload, select, see where it says WordPress theme? Use your WordPress one, the one that I told you to download. Then wait for this to install. Let's go back. As it comes into a zip file, you need to extract it. Extract files. Reload. You don't need this anymore. Let's delete it. And then here we go, we have a theme here. So let's go back to our themes. And there we go, our theme is there. So we activate it. Now, as you can see here, it requires some themes require certain plugins. So yes, please do install these plugins. Wait for it to install. Yep, and right. So as you can see here, your site doesn't look like the theme already, or the demos of it is not on here. Certain themes will not have the demo straight away. You would need to download the demo onto your backend. And the way you do that, now you install your WordPress, because what we're doing, we're going to be installing in the demo. So remember what I was saying before back on here that you need to download your all files and documentation, because that's where your demo will be. So, and we unzip this. Now here is your demo. Your demo will be in .xml all the time. Any demo you come across, it would be in XML. So we'll do we'll just drag it onto here, then we upload. There we go, and we submit. Now we go back onto our home page. As you can see, there's certain aspects where they'll tell you to do, put your menu in, and could be some missing plugins that they haven't required you to download. So for this plugin, they'll ask you to have a Jetpack plugin, set up primary. So we'll go to our menu, click on here. This would be for the footer. Right, so when we go back, our menu will have everything, like how it would look on the theme just before you purchased it. Now, there's certain themes that do require additional plugins. you don't exactly have to have them or not, but it's up to you. Now, to add a post, there's for the bloggers, you add new, and you have everything here. Everything is simple. Everything's just a drop and drag and a type. Like, you shouldn't feel there'll be any difficulty with, manhandling your website and the backend, because everything is literally there for you. You have the categories there. I know there's some bloggers that do beauty, so makeup, hair, nails, you name it, skin care routine. Your MailChimp would be for people who can subscribe, so then they'll get an email on a constant go when you upload a new blog post. They'll give you MailChimp when you log on with them. They'll give you an API key. So what it is just links your account together with your website, and then people there can tap subscribe, put in their email address, and then they'll get an email from when you upload a post. So blogs, in your contact form, just in case someone wants to contact you. You have email, name, subject, message, and send, and it'll get sent straight to your email that is linked to your website. Most emails would be your admin, admin at whatever your website, the main website is. So let's anyway. So we click on Hello World, see how the posts look like. So this is how the post would look like. Obviously, this is like the first one, Hello World. Every blog post has the same Hello World. This is an introduction. You edit your About Us page. Food category. Check this out. Yeah. So there we go. Think how you can add your media, add the different pages that you want. You can have, if you're a blog team, you can have different authors. So you have, there's all different types of authors. You can edit the author. So if you don't want them to be an author anymore, they can be a subscriber. They can be an editor. They can be an admin. So yeah. Literally, for bloggers, it's quite easy. It's nothing, amazingly hard to do. It's literally just purchasing the theme, putting it onto your WordPress, and literally editing it from there. If there is any questions that you would like for me to answer, please comment below. Like, literally anything, I don't mind. I'm literally here to help. Like, I design people's websites and I develop upcoming brands' websites, so I know what to do. There are certain things on themes that you do need to go into your back end to do, but I'm here to help. If anything, literally all free. So yeah, please do like, comment, subscribe for this channel, because I'm literally here to be helping anyone really that needs their website to be built without using any coding. So literally, hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you need any help, please comment below, and I will see you guys soon.
Slivering snakes, how much time can I cut this grass? 4 pipes and it's 4x4, you can hear it roll when I'm cutting past. Don't ask what I do with a slab.